Okay, I'm going to have a look at 2016 and it's question 8a. And it says in there that this quadratic has got real roots. Now, that means we're talking about the discriminant. If you notice here, it doesn't say it's got two real roots, so it could have one real root. So I'm going to look for the discriminant greater than or equal to 0 in this case. So a is in front of the x squared, so it's k plus 1. B is in front of the x, and c is on its own, k minus 2. So if your discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, now we'll have bigger than or equal to 0. So b squared is 36, 4 times a times c. Twice here. Now multiplying out this bracket, I'll do the brackets first and then come back for the minus 4. So it's k squared, let's come back in again. So there we go. So k squared minus 2k, add k, minus 2, greater than or equal to 0. So tidying up this bracket, minus 4, k squared, minus k, minus 2, greater than 0. Now I'm going to take my minus 4 through. Minus 4k squared plus 4k plus 8 greater than 0. I'm going to tidy this up. Minus 4k squared plus 4k, add 44 greater than 0. I'm going to divide by 4. I'm going to change all signs. So k squared minus k minus 11, and make sure you reverse that, less than naught. That doesn't factorise, so I'm going to have to find the critical values using the formula. So critical values using the formula. A is in front of the square term, B is in front of the letter term, and C is on its own. So K equals minus B plus or minus the square root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So it's minus 1, which is an ordinary 1, B squared minus 1 squared is 1, 4AC all over 2 times that. Now, tidying up this root, so it's 1 plus 44 over 2, so that is 1 plus or minus the square root of 45 over 2. The square root of 45 cancels the square root of 9, square root of 5, so that cancels to square root of 9 is an ordinary 3. You always want to put down ordinary numbers if you can. Now you've got your critical values, 1 plus 3 root 5 over 2, 1 minus 3 root 5 over 2. If I look back to the line before I started the critical values, it's a positive x squared graph. I want underneath, so I want this portion here. So 1 minus 3 root 5 over 2 less than, check the variables, so it should be less than or equal to, less than or equal to k, which is less than or equal to 1 plus 3 root 5 over 2.